I can't believe it's been already 2 years, but it's just passed by so quickly.
Yeah.
And
It looks like a mic is just coming out. I told you to clip this.
that's why I have you to check it. So how did you feel about running a YouTube channel for the past 2 years?
I'm gonna speak through this. Just mind blowing. I mean, we get like photos from like Africa sometimes, we get photos from India, and like, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes it doesn't really look like Korean food, but the attempt and the excitement is just infectious. I love it. And plus, to be honest, cooking is not supposed to be like spot on. We teach you, and then you guys make it your own, and sometimes you really made it your own.
So Daniel, why are we doing this video today? Get to the point, please. It would be really nice if you can support us and show us the love that you've got.
If you do a few more shoulder shrugs, I think it'll convert. Please.
Oh, did you hear the bone crack?
I did.
I'm not that young, guys.
But basically, YouTube has now opened a join button for us, and you can support us every month. And if you do,
Oh my gosh.
the heavens will reward you.
So what are the things that you're gonna get?
Out of the appreciation for us, we're gonna make you a exclusive secret video just for you guys
Every month?
every month. And then number 2, all the music that you hear in our soundtrack, those bumping, head nodding tracks, we'll put it into a playlist. Use it when you study. Do you study with some music on? No?
I don't study.
Oh, sorry, she doesn't study. But when I do work, I like some background music and those lo-fi beats that we use a lot of times. Good.
And finally, we have some special emojis that we custom designed so that we know who you are when you comment us.
That's right. That's right. Mad respect for you. What is that?
감사합니다 사인이잖아. More details are on the link below, so just click on them. If you're on PC, you're gonna see the join button, and if you're on mobile, we'll provide you with a special link to click on and take you shook.
To where? Shoot, to where?
On to the next question.
So Katie, what are you doing lately on the weekends?
내 가방 들고 와봐.
아, 진짜.
So part of my hobby is finding a new hobby.
Amen to that. Say that again.
So part of my hobby is finding a new hobby. So lately I've developed a new hobby, which is leather bag making. So this is empty inside, so it's like backwards right now, but I'm gonna flip it inside out, and eventually this will be the inside color. And then look at that. This is all hand stitched.
Gucci, call us.
I do this on Saturday morning, and it's the most meditating time of my week. So let me show you a little bit like a preview of what this bag will look like.
So ask the question. Ask the question, Katie.
Why is your nose so big?
I was blessed. So Katie,
Yes.
some people ask why your English is so bad.
How long are
It's been a long day.
How long are we going to continue doing the Future Neighbor channel?
Oh, we're gonna keep going. I mean, to be honest, we're having too much fun. Why stop something when you're having so much fun? So someone asked how we stay in shape. You want to put the microwave near your mouth now?
Oh yes. I'm started to do a morning yoga, and I really like it. The only problem is I can't wake up.
I do a lot of running. Lately, I do 3 times a week and around 4 miles every time. We have over 500 boxes here. This is the small one. And then we have 500 custom printed boxes here. For the online store that we're working on, we have to deliver to your house, you know? Cardboard is too weak. Look at that. Look at that, right? So now we have a reinforced cardboard. Push it down like that.
Whoa,
And then this is the cheaper one. Hoop, hoop. So that's why it's no good. And you know what? Let me just show them the logo.
Are you showcasing the logo?
Yeah. Oh, but this is the small box. Let me get the big box.
Dun, dun, dun.
The big box. Da, 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 dun, da, dun, da, 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 dun. Okay. There it is. Our online store is going to be called Gochujar. Gochu is hot chili peppers. You know, the gochujang, gochugaru. All of that is this pepper right here. That's rolling. It's flying in the mystic Korean mountains. And the jar, so I want to deliver spice into your life, you know. Not only spiciness, like, but like spice, like variety, like some excitement into your life. You know, what better than some Korean ingredients?
Hey, what kind of things are you gonna put in there?
Well, we're not gonna just do spice. We're gonna do a variety of different foods. So some fresh dashima pieces.
That looks like a pantry box.
Yes. Gochujang is here.
Finally, it's been a long time coming.
But we haven't released yet. 1 more month. All right, so for today's experiment, we have some condition. This is like a very effective hangover drink that's only sold in Korea. So it like prevents nasty hangovers. So this is made out of glass. I hope you can tell because my knuckle hurts. We'll put it into this thing.
Oh my gosh.
So we have to test it and see if this will go to your house safe today. Let's go. Wow, it's like a Korean drama. Oh, this is the 1 week out of the year where all the leaves turn gold.
So Daniel, do we have any plans to open a Korean restaurant? Now that we have a YouTube channel with so many subscribers?
Never. Actually, before I started doing YouTube, I had this kind of fantasy of opening up my own restaurant.
Yeah, he used to talk about it when we first started dating. So how he's gonna have an open bar and all these things, invite his friends over.
It's so like kind of romantic in a way. Not like girl-guy romantic, but like a romantic idea to own your own bar and to have friends come over, cook for them, close down late, have only the friends left behind, drink whiskey, you know. But after doing YouTube for like 2 years, I realized that I would not be happy just in the back just making food all day every day. You know, when hobbies become your job, all of a sudden it becomes something else. Exactly. I want to keep cooking as a hobby.
Why did you guys decided to live in South Korea?
Why did we live in Korea? Why did you answer that one?
We met in South Korea, so we were living here even before we met.
Yeah.
I was working here, and Daniel was also, he moved from the States to work here.
So better question, do you like living in Korea, Katie?
I like the food and I like the convenience, how you can go to any restaurant like at any time of the day, and everything is so close by. But I do want to
my hand hurts. 1 second. Change hands. Okay.
But I do want to explore other countries, other culture, other cuisine. I think it's kind of like natural in me to explore.
So I love living in Korea. I think Seoul has like this unbelievable energy. So when you're here, the days go by so fast. Like every day is like this because everyone lives so energetically. You're either studying for something, everyone is working till late, or eating till late, partying till late, and it just never stops. And I think when you're young, I would say maybe until you're married with kids, well, maybe, yeah, it depends, but I think up to there, it's just the amount of energy, you're just always learning, and it's beautiful. I love that.
All-time favorite K-pop song. Yes, I'm very looking forward to hear Daniel's answer to this.
I don't know if it's K-pop, but I like some folk singers. I'm a little bit more old school. There's a guy named Kim Kwang-suk, and that's
his pronunciation is a little bit lacking, 2% lacking. Kim Kwang-suk. It's not Kim Kwang-suk.
But every time he sings, you can feel the raw emotions, and I love that. It's nice. Time to talk about the mission on why we actually started the YouTube channel. Our mission is very simple. We want to introduce Korean home cooking to every cook in the world. So we started with introducing these YouTube videos, and we're just, again, like we mentioned before, just ecstatic when we see people cooking along. And now some people want to cook along, but they don't actually have the ingredients. So that's where gochujang, where we're just introduced, is part of that mission. We want to be someone who is able to supply the world, no matter, even if you don't have a grocery mart nearby. You know, we're going to be the people that ship it out to you.
So I have a question, guys. Doesn't he remind you of the Korean soccer player playing in Tottenham?
Who?
Son Heung-min.
Song Heung-min? Oh my God, Korea.
He likes it when you say that.
No, I don't. Not at all.
Well, let's see if you put that in the video. We'll know.
Dang, when'd you get so snappy? Your jokes are getting good.
And I'm gonna answer a few questions very quickly. This is the one that we always get. We've said this in our previous video, but are we married? No.
No, we're not married yet.
How many years we've been together? We've been together for about 5 years. Long, hard, careful, painful, yet joyous years. And I'm looking forward to more years ahead with Daniel.
Word up.
Word up, feet up. Okay, next I hand it over to you, Daniel.
Sure.
So how is it like now that your channel is starting to grow up and you already have lots of subscribers? Are there people that okay, 처음부터 해라. How is it like now that your channel is starting to grow and you already have lots of subscribers? Are there people that would notice you? I'm a real fan. Thanks for all your videos. It's really helpful.
The sun is burning my eye. Everybody take a look. There's cam. Persimmons. Wow, there's a lot of them in the trees. Oh, there's one right there. Hopefully I don't get hit by one. But knowing my luck, I better step back. Oh, Katie, we forgot to do that experiment.
This one.
Yeah. Toss it as high as you can into the air.
Safe.
No cracks? That's right. This is good. I'm happy with the results.
Our little experiment done.
But Katie, we should throw it on the asphalt once. Here, come over here. No crack. This is good. Ciao guys, if you'd like to support us, you press that big blue join button and
show us some love.
Show us some love.
All you need is love. Do, 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 do.